Welcome to the overview of the new Relic Certified APM Practitioner Associate exam. This isn't just a test of what you know, it's a validation of what you can do. By earning this credential, you prove you can master the fundamentals, navigate the UI like a pro, and use triage techniques to solve real-world issues. For your career, this signals to employers that you can proactively manage application health. For your business, it means you're the expert, keeping app decks or user satisfaction high while ensuring performance always aligns with business goals. When you earn this credential, you're effectively proving you've mastered 3 critical areas. First, you'll have the fundamentals down. This means you don't just know how the tools work, but you truly understand APM principles and, most importantly, the actual business value they provide. Second, you'll be an expert in the New Relic interface. You'll be able to navigate the UI with ease, knowing exactly where to go to analyze and interpret performance data. And finally, you'll be a pro at troubleshooting. You'll walk away with the triage techniques needed to quickly identify, isolate, and resolve issues before they impact your users. The APA exam is tailored for the hands-on technical professional. We recommend at least 6 months of experience in performance analysis using New Relic. Whether you are a DevOps engineer, SRE, or product manager, you should be comfortable with the 4 types of monitoring data: metrics, events, logs, and traces. If you understand golden signals, you're already in a great spot. Before you dive in, let's look at the rules of the road. You'll have 50 minutes to answer 50 questions. To pass, you'll need a score of 72%. These questions are a mix of multiple choice and multiple response. And don't be surprised if you see graphics or charts that you'll need to analyze to find the right answer. The APM exam doesn't just test theory, it tests the skills you use in the New Relic platform every day. The first section of the exam, APM Fundamentals, focuses on the big picture, understanding why we monitor and how New Relic agents are set up to capture data. The second section of the exam, Managing Agent Data, is the how-to of instrumentation, including adding custom attributes and using tags to keep your data organized. The third section, Visualizing Insights, this is the core of the exam. You must be able to navigate the UI, write NERCL queries, and interpret service maps to see how your services talk to each other. And the last section, Full Stack Observability Practices. Here, you demonstrate troubleshooting skills, such as using the errors inbox to triage issues, and using change tracking to see how a new code deployment affected performance. Passing the APA exam is about so much more than just getting a certificate. It's about unlocking new professional doors. First, you gain immediate credibility. You'll walk away with a globally recognized digital credential that proves you truly know your way around full-stack observability. But it's also about efficiency at scale. You'll be equipped to slash those key metrics like mean time to resolution and mean time detection, which makes you an invaluable asset to any team. Beyond that, you'll reach a level of standardized excellence. You're going to master New Relic best practices, everything from complex NERCL syntax to incident management, so your workflows are efficient as they can possibly be. And finally, this is a major move for your career growth. It really distinguishes you in competitive roles like SRE or DevOps by proving you have the unique ability to transform raw telemetry data into actionable business insights. Ready to stand out? Head over to the New Relic certification page to access your exam guide and start your journey towards becoming a certified APM practitioner today.